Unit 2, Lesson 6. A particular shade of orange paint has 2 cups of yellow paint for every 3 cups of red paint. On the double number line, circle the numbers of cups of yellow and red paint needed for 3 batches of orange paint. For one batch, you need 2 cups of yellow paint and 3 cups of red paint. So for 3 batches, you'd multiply 2 times 3 to get 6, and 3 times 3 to get 9. So you'd need 6 cups of yellow paint and 9 cups of red paint to make 3 batches of orange paint. Number 2A. This double number line diagram shows the amount of flour and eggs needed for one batch of cookies. Complete the diagram to show the amount of flour and eggs for 2, 3, and 4 batches of cookies. For one batch, you need 5 cups of flour. So I'm just going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, and 20. For eggs, you need 3 for one batch. So I'm going to count by 3. 3, 6, 9, and 12. B. What is the ratio of cups of flour to eggs? There's 5 cups of flour to 3 cups of eggs. C. How much flour and how many eggs are used in 4 batches of cookies? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 20 cups of flour and 12 eggs used in 4 batches of cookies. So the ratio is 20 to 12. D. How much flour is used with 6 eggs? We can see here there's 6 eggs, so we use 10 cups of flour. E. How many eggs are used with 15 cups of flour? There's 15 cups of flour. We used 9 eggs. Number 3. Here is a representation showing the amount of red and blue paint that makes 2 batches of purple paint. A. On the double number line, label the tick marks to represent amounts of red and blue paint used to make batches of this shade of purple paint. I'm going to make a set of double number lines, and inside these boxes each represents the amount of paint for one batch. So 3 to 2 ratio. A 6 to 4 ratio would be for 2 batches, or a 9 to 6 ratio for 3 batches, a 12 to 8 ratio for 4 batches. B. How many batches are made with 12 cups of red paint? Well, 12 cups of red paint is represented in the 4th batch. So there's 4 batches made with 12 cups of red paint. C. How many batches are made with 6 cups of blue paint? 2, 4, 6, 8. With 6 cups of blue paint, 3 batches are made. 1, 2, 3. 3 batches. Number 4. Diego estimates that there will need to be 3 pizzas for every 7 kids at his party. Select all the statements that express this ratio. A. The ratio of kids to pizzas is 7 to 3. Yes, that's correct. 7 to 3. B. The ratio of pizzas to kids is 3 to 7. Yes, that is correct. There are 3 pizzas for every 7 kids. C. The ratio of kids to pizzas is 3 to 7. No, that's incorrect. The number of kids is not 3, and the number of pizzas is not 7. D. The ratio of pizzas to kids is 7 to 3. No, that's not true. There are not 7 pizzas, and there are not 3 kids. E. For every 7 kids, there need to be 3 pizzas. Yes, that's true. For every 7 kids, there will be 3 pizzas. Number 5. Draw a parallelogram that is not a rectangle that has an area of 24 square units. Explain or show how you know the area is 24 square units. I'm going to make the height 4 units and the length 6 units. The area would be 4 times 6, which is 24 units squared. B. Draw a triangle that has an area of 24 square units. Explain or show how you know the area is 24 square units. First, I'm going to draw a rectangle, and then I'm going to cut that rectangle in half. This rectangle is going to be 8 units by 6 units. So 8 times 6 would be 48. And when you cut 48 in half, the area of the triangle would be 24 units squared. Congratulations, you've completed Unit 2, Lesson 6.